If you are searching for PLC Simulator online, you probably want to see it work, not sit through another slide deck. This is full product demo inside PLC Simulation Software captured from the real browser product. This is the current product running in a real browser. The footage is not a drawn mock-up or a concept animation. The useful result is visible on screen. You can operate the real interface, run the logic, and inspect the outcome before deciding whether the platform fits you. Watch PLC Simulator online move from the page into a working simulation. You can inspect the interface, run the program, and see the outcome before committing to a course. Follow the highlighted interaction on screen and notice that the feedback changes with the action. This is the practical loop the lesson is designed to teach. Use this demo to decide whether the workflow matches what you need. The matching page goes deeper into the concept, while the browser lab lets you practice it instead of only watching it. Open the matching browser experience and complete the first practical step yourself. There is no install and no credit card required to start. Visit plcsimulationsoftware.com.